Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my moisturizing sealant, and it's gonna be just 3 ingredients, so it's budget friendly, long thick hair on a budget. That's what I say. We have to save money in all that we do, and I got you. So right now I have my Iberia oil blend, olive oil, and sunflower. You can find that in a supermarket. Apple cider vinegar, and of course Shea butter. So cute intro. So excuse me if you hear music in the background. My neighbor decided that they want to play some love making music, but oh well, they're doing their thing. So what I'm doing right now is scraping out all the shea butter. I don't really need to melt it because Jamaica is hot enough, so it did that for me. And I'm eyeballing the amount of oil that I'm putting. I will guesstimate it to be like a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half, because I wanted the mixture to be creamy but not liquidy in a sense, so it will still have that solid texture that I would like to be more buttery, if you understand. And I put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and now I'm just whipping it. I'm whipping it real good. Whip it, whip it. Yes. So I whip it until it's a texture that I like. I know the angle is not necessarily the best, but you have an idea of what I'm doing. And if you don't have a hand mixer, you can always do this in a blender. And I have a video of me doing it in a blender. But the only difference is that it's not going to be that creamy yet. You would have to put it in the fridge should be solidified to solidify a little bit. So now the mixture, I'm putting it in the container, and you can see how fluffy and creamy it is, and that's exactly how I wanted my texture to be. The more oil and liquid you add, it is going to be more softer and less creamy like that. It will be more liquidy, if you understand what I mean. So I use this exact butter in this bomb braid out. Oh my gosh. A haircut and a moisturizing butter is all a girl needs. Look at that. Gorgeous. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Have a bomb day, and remember, God loves you. Mwah.